Update on the little quail. Man, they got some big old long legs and some big old feet. These are Shermans, the smallest chickens in the world. These are... Juju, where you going, boy? These are Easter egg, Americanas, the yellow white ones are. And then we got I Am Samanis right there. They're solid black, their meat's black, their heart's black, their organs black, their heart and all that. There's another quail, so there's two of them. The other one, he cheers. He's right here. What's up, player? That's my baby. He's guarding the food. Protector. Oh. Protector of the food chickens. He's got the keys. Yeah. Come on. Let's roll. We got the turkey. That's Jerky the turkey. And it's a funky 5 friends. Kicking it, flipping it, doing it real. And then all these other guns are chilling like villains. Too many different kinds of birds to name all of them. We got some in the hatchery that's popping like flies. Belly, shut up. I know some of them are black Morans. Some of them are... my brain's not working. There's just so many of them.
Americanas and olive eggers.
Americanas, olive eggers. Too many more to name. And in the incubator, we have...
You got your indigo gigantes in the incubator.
Yep. That's the biggest bird in the Wizzo chicken-wise. I'm doing a little update on the quail. They running the show. This guy under here.
I saw there was a big bird in here earlier.
Yeah, I got him up. This guy over here, he's guarding the food. One of these quails, they just stay guarding food all day. And this other one, he lives on top of that other one. They got their own little chicken crews that they hang out with. All 3 of them are split up into their own little crews. Hey, don't be a jerk to my buddy. He gets right up in there. He don't care. Probably wants some more water.
Can you tell if you got lots of chicks in the hatchery?
I seen 3 for sure. You gotta move, you're gonna get wet. There you go. I seen at least 2 to 3 on one. Look, he's trying to get out. That's the little scape. He likes to roam around and do stuff. He likes to break out. That's for my water-based friends. See, I gave this guy a little stepping stool so he can get him some water, and we can tell the temperature all at the same time. He's guarding the food, doing his thing. Alright, y'all. Peace.